And then additionally, when we get to some of the trending tickers that we're tracking here on the day, shares of WWE have been halted. Some news pending there. And
the news came out. Vince McMahon is indeed returning to the board. I'm just seeing the news, so I just want to bring it to you here. He's returning to the board, and it looks like the shares are trading. It might be open again. I'm not quite sure. Actually, no, it looks like they might still be halted. But in any case, it looks like that he is coming back to the board.
His daughter's still there. His
daughter, Stephanie McMahon, still there. So he's just coming back to the board. It doesn't look like he's coming back as CEO, but the company is going to undertake a review of options, which is, as we know, is euphemistic for maybe is going to put itself up for sale.
This is still a Vince McMahon board. You have his daughter there, Stephanie McMahon. You have Nick Khan, who he hired, who's been running point on a lot of operational things inside the company. And Triple H, who is Stephanie McMahon's husband, also staying on that board as well. Also bringing back two former executives that were fired a couple years ago, George Barrios and Michelle Wilson.
I pulled this up, 1 year chart here, 52 weeks, because as our viewers will remember as well, McMahon had actually stepped down from his position. There were allegations of sexual misconduct and then continued in some capacity still with the board. And then his daughter, as you were mentioning a moment ago, had really assumed those roles of co-CEO. And so now with this return, you're seeing WWE shares move higher, but it was really around this inclination, or at least the expectation of him coming back was around the inclination to capitalize on upcoming media rights. Now, what those media rights may look like, that still is yet to be seen and determined and communicated to the street. But at least as of right now, it does seem like shares continuing to hold on to some hope for those media rights that come through and get negotiated as well here.